Hello parents, I am Ms. Nazario, as well as your child's first grade teacher. I have set up this presentation about promoting safe practices throughout the classroom, because I believe that enhancing safe practices in the classroom setting will not only keep the students safe, but will help raise a strong community as well as help contribute in cooperative learning. My job as a teacher is to ensure that my students are safe under my watch during all class activities. Some ways I can do this is by setting up the stage for safety, establishing a daily schedule, and creating some secure arrival and departure procedures. Before my students arrive, I will be setting up my classroom, making sure that all hazardous items are thrown away or put away, as well as taking out all the materials we will be using for the day. I will gather all the information that I need from you, the parents, to make sure your child is well taken care of. This is our daily schedule. Having a schedule to go by will help guide the flow of all of our activities and support an organized approach to safe group management. During their year in kindergarten, they learned and established many routines that will be carried on and used here in the first grade, like washing of the hands, cleaning up after themselves, raising a quiet hand, and more. The last safety approach I'll be talking about is creating secure arrival and departure procedures. Students must be dropped off at the front of the school and find me in the cafeteria. Students may not be dropped off or picked up when the school is conducting an emergency evacuation or lockdown. Students will not be released to go home with other students without written consent from parents or guardians. Children who feel safe within an environment are more likely to participate more in class and create deeper and more meaningful connections. As for you, my parents, I will need your support in making these practices come to life. From home, you can remind your child to follow instructions and guide them in making good and smart decisions. You can also fill out the papers and files I've sent out to you in order for me to understand your child a little better, and so all of his or her needs can be met. I will also appreciate if you as your parents can set up certain rules and routines at your house to get your child used to all safety procedures here at school. Once I am able to combine setting up the classroom before arrival, establishing daily schedules, and creating secure arrival and departure procedures, we will be able to keep our children safe, raise a strong community, and contribute to cooperative learning. Thank you.